admin building, where you can find the cashier, the registrar, the marketing office, and the AO cafe. Next destination is the Filma Avenue.
And this is the Filma Avenue. And our next destination is the Technology Building.
Where the criminology faculty is located. And our next destination is the AUG.
And this is the University Chapel that you can pray earlier daytime. And this building is the basic education building. This side is for the elementary and high school students.
And this side is used by the college students.
And this is the food street that you can eat breakfast, lunch, and also dinner.
And this is the Mac Hotel, where HRMers students using this place in holding their events and laboratory. And this is the university gym, where this is the biggest indoor gymnasium here in Cabanatuan City.
And also the venue of the NCSL every year. This building is for CSDL office and AU clinic was located.
And this is the AU Park, where students can wait until their next class, and they can also review here if they have an exam.
And this building is the ACAD building.
And our next destination is the four faculties here in Aralia University.
The CAS office, site office, EDOC office, and the CMA office. And now we're here. This is the EDOC office. And there the CAS office, site office, and the CMA office.
And now we're going to the University Library.
And now, we're here to University Library.
And now we're going at the nursing department. And now we're here at the nursing department. Aside from the food street, we also have the Ika AQC, which is the AU main canteen.
And now we're here to Criminology Department. And now, this is the Esteban Hall of Justice in honor of the Judge Laura R. Esteban, founder and president